In this video, I'll show you how to connect and also how to print using your iPhone and your Brother HL-L3220CDW or many other models like the L3230CDW. So let's get started right away. The first step actually is to connect this printer to your Wi-Fi network. So let's go on the control panel over here. So how is it done? You need to go on this control panel, make sure the printer is turned on. I'm going to press once on this red cancel button just to make sure we start at the same place, okay? And now with the up or down arrow, we're going to scroll in this menu, okay? Press it a few times until you see network appearing on the display. Then press the OK button once. Make sure that you have WLAN Wi-Fi on the screen. Press OK once. Again, press OK. And it will search for all the different Wi-Fi networks that are around your printer. If it didn't find your Wi-Fi network, maybe you need to bring it closer to your router. Now use the up and down button to shuffle through the different Wi-Fis that are available. This is mine, so I'll press OK once you see your Wi-Fi network name. And now it's time to enter the password. It's a bit tricky, there's no keyboard, okay, you only have these buttons over here. So with the up and down arrow, you're gonna go from 0 to letters. If you want capital letters, just keep scrolling. All right, here you go. It changed to capital letters. And if you continue, it will switch to symbols. Here we go. You can also use the down arrow. Maybe it's quicker in your case, depending what your password is. So let's say the first character is 1, okay? Press OK. It will go to the next one, and like this you can type your password. I'll go ahead and do mine. Once you have finished entering your password, you're gonna press one more time on OK to confirm. It will ask you apply settings. Well, yes, so we're gonna press the top arrow to confirm. And now you're gonna see connecting. Just wait, it will take a few seconds and then you'll get connected, confirming that the printer is now fully connected to your Wi-Fi network. Take your iPhone, could also be an iPad, it's the same thing. And depending what you want to print, open your picture or your PDF file. Let's say I want to print this, okay? And by the way, if you're on your camera roll, simply open the picture you want to print and you're going to see the same symbol on the lower left side. It's a square with an arrow pointing up. Press on this and then this menu will appear. Usually print should be one of these options. You see, print. If you do not see it, don't worry, go down and print will be maybe lower. Next step, well, first make sure that your iPhone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Brother printer. Then under printer here, if you click, you're going to see your Brother printer in the list. Click on yours. Select the number of copies. In my case, it's just 1. Here you can select if you want to print in color or in black and white. If you want black and white, just turn it off. You can print double-sided as well. And select the size of the paper that you're going to use on your printer to print. You also have media and quality. If you click here, you'll be able to select from draft, normal, or best quality. If it's a text file with a small graphic, you can leave it to normal. I think it gives pretty good results. But if it's something with fine details, I always suggest you bring it to best. Never use draft. Honestly, it gives terrible results. I don't even know why they have put this option there. Once you're ready, press the print button once and wait. Usually the print should be out in like 12 seconds. Here we go. We got our print out. It looks perfect. And this is about it. This is how you print your files or pictures from your iPhone to your Brother color laser printer. If this was useful and you want to support my channel, check my Amazon links if you want to get toner or paper or even a brand new printer. Every time you go through my Amazon links, I get a very small commission. Thanks, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.